Hi guys, so this is just a video to try and answer some of the questions that I'm getting about translation. You all watched the video on the YouTube and I think most of you understood it. A few questions not understanding it. Okay, and then I gave you the homework and you all did the homework and some excellent answers. A few little mistakes here and there to be expected. Okay, first time seeing this and first time seeing this on the internet. So I'm going to do the question where I have to translate this image. Okay, I'm going to do that as homework on this video, and hopefully me talking about it will help you to understand where your problems are. So the question was to translate this triangle using column vectors. That's a new word, column, because they're on top of each other, one on top of the other, like a column. Okay, and vectors, well, vectors is all about direction. Okay, I'm going to move this in some direction. Okay, so a column vector is trying to tell you where to move it to. That's all it's doing. Where will I move this shape to using the column vector? And the column vector, the first one is 2 and 1 underneath. So you'll see the 2 is on top and the 1 is underneath. It's not a fraction. Okay, it's wrapped in brackets. There's no line between. It's not a fraction. It's a column vector. Okay, and now the first question was ask you to move shape A. I should put an A right there. Move shape A to position B using the column vector 2, 1. Okay, so the way I would do this is I will just pick a single point and I'll work with the single point. Okay, now in order to move that, the first number I see is 2. Now that talks to me about left and right. The first digit, the one on the top, talks about going left or right. Because it's a positive 2, I'm going to move it right 2 jumps. So this first guy would move 1, 2 jumps that way. Now he's not finished because the 1 now affects it as well. And the 1 is talking about the up and down direction. Okay? And a positive 1 means up. Okay? Up positive 1. So here we were here, we moved 1, 2 to the right, and then 1 up, and we will land right there. Okay, so this bottom corner, move that shape so that the bottom corner sits right there on that spot. Now, personally, I would then just redraw the shape. Okay, with that corner sitting here, I would redraw the shape. If you need to continue with the vectors because you're not sure about redrawing the shape, just pick another point and then move him 2 to the right and 1 up. So 1, 2 to the right and 1 up, and he would land right there. Okay, I thought I did a big enough grid to cover everything, but I've missed this. Okay, so this point here, move it 2 to the right and up 1. Okay, and then the last point on top, move it 2 to the right and up 1. 2 to the right and up 1. There's its new position. Now I have the 3 dots. All I do is fill in the shape between them. Okay, and obviously use a ruler. All right. So A is now moved to position B. Now I'll do it again and hopefully that will help. Okay, so moving A to C, we're going to move it the column vector -9, 2. Okay, so the -9 is talking about -9 in the left direction, and the 2 is talking about up 2. So take this image and move it -9 and up 2. So starting here with this point, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up 2, 1, 2. There is its final resting position. Move this point 9 and 2. Okay, so over 9 and up 2. Move this point 9 and 2, over 9 and up 2. There is the 3 dots for my new position. And this one is number C. Okay, going to D. I'm going to take this dot and we're going to do the column vector 1, 5. So that means to the right 1 and up 5. To the right 1 and up 5. That's a typo. That should say -5. Okay, so that should say -5. All right, so that means, now here's an interesting thing. I've just changed it. So the top one is talking about to the right 1, and then the bottom one is talking about down 5 because it's a -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 1 and down 5. It lands right there. Okay. Now do it again here to this one. Right 1 and down 5. It'll land here. Right 1 and down 5. It'll land right here. That's a mistake. It'll land here. Okay. So let's just check. Right 1 and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now we're correct. Okay, very last one. We'll go A to E. So we're going to go -6, -7. -6 is left 6. -7 is down 7. So we have to take this shape, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is my first dot. Move on to my second dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My last dot, over to 6, down 7. We will land right here. Okay, you will also be able to just realize, well, that image is 3 boxes high by 2 boxes to the right, 2 boxes to the right, 3 boxes high. Okay, and you'll be able to just move a single point and then draw the image. Okay, it's a good habit to do them all, and also I'm doing them all to show you each step. So that was how we would move all 4 items. I hope that makes sense. Okay, and again, any questions, put them in the chat. Okay, thanks guys.